Beneath the shimmering surface of our planet's oceans lies a world so vast, so mysterious, and so utterly alien, it might as well be on another planet. We've explored more of the surface of the moon than we have our own ocean floor. For every familiar coastline, there are depths that no human has ever seen, hiding secrets we're only just beginning to uncover. What if I told you that in these dark, crushing depths, life not only exists, but thrives in ways that defy everything we thought we knew about biology? Today, we're taking a deep dive, literally, into the hidden world that exists right here on Earth, far below the waves. Forget what you see at the beach, we're going to a place of eternal night, immense pressure, and creatures straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster. Let's start our journey. As we descend past the sunlit zone, the world we know fades away. The vibrant blues and greens are swallowed by a deep, endless indigo. We're entering the twilight zone, or the mesopelagic zone, stretching from about 200 to 1,000 meters down. Sunlight is faint here, a mere ghost of its power at the surface. The pressure is already immense, enough to crush a submarine not built for these depths. And yet, this is where things start to get really interesting. This is the realm of bioluminescence, nature's very own light show. Many creatures here have evolved the incredible ability to produce their own light. Why? For everything. To attract prey, to startle predators, to find a mate in the endless dark. Imagine a world filled with living, moving constellations. One of the most iconic residents of the Twilight Zone is the anglerfish. You've probably seen drawings of it, the stuff of nightmares with its gaping mouth full of needle-like teeth and that famous glowing lure dangling in front of its face. That light is a symbiotic bacterial colony, a living fishing rod that tempts smaller fish and squid to come closer, right into the angler's waiting jaws. What's even wilder is their mating ritual. The male anglerfish is tiny, sometimes hundreds of times smaller than the female. His sole purpose in life is to find a female. Once he does, he bites onto her and fuses his body with hers, becoming little more than a permanent, attached sperm bank. Talk about a committed relationship. But the anglerfish is just one star in this glittering abyss. We also have the dragonfish, a sleek, dark predator with a similar glowing lure, but it also has light-producing organs called photophores along its body, and even red light-emitting organs under its eyes. Most deep-sea creatures can't see red light, so the dragonfish essentially has a secret, infrared flashlight to hunt with, invisible to its prey. Then there are the mesmerizing siphonophores, like the giant Priadubia. These aren't single animals but massive colonies of individual, specialized organisms called zooids, all working together. Some zooids handle eating, others reproduction, and others are for movement, forming a chain that can be longer than a blue whale, making them one of the longest animals on the planet. They drift through the dark, a shimmering, predatory net of stinging cells. As we sink even deeper, past 1,000 meters, we enter the midnight zone. The bathypelagic. Here, there is no sunlight at all. Zero. The darkness is absolute, the pressure is bone-crushing, and the temperature is just a few degrees above freezing. It's one of the most hostile environments on Earth. You'd think life would be scarce here, but you'd be wrong. Life finds a way. Food is the biggest challenge. Most creatures here are scavengers, relying on marine snow, a continuous shower of organic material, dead animals, and waste that drifts down from the productive waters above. Every little bit of energy is precious. Creatures in the midnight zone have adapted in mind-bending ways. Take the gulper eel, also known as the pelican eel. It's mostly just a giant mouth attached to a whip-like body. Its jaw can unhinge to swallow prey much larger than itself, a crucial adaptation when your next meal might not come along for weeks or even months. Or consider the vampire squid. Despite its terrifying name, it's a gentle creature. It doesn't suck blood, instead, when threatened, it pulls its webbed arms over its body, creating a dark cloak, and can eject a cloud of sticky, bioluminescent mucus to distract predators. It's a master of defense in a world where there's nowhere to hide. But the most shocking discovery in the deep ocean wasn't a creature, it was an entire ecosystem, a place where life doesn't depend on the sun at all. In 1977, scientists exploring the Galapagos Rift discovered hydrothermal vents. These are like underwater geysers, spewing out superheated, mineral-rich water from beneath the Earth's crust. The water can reach temperatures of over 400 degrees Celsius, yet it doesn't boil because of the intense pressure. Around these vents, in this toxic, boiling soup, they found life. An entire ecosystem teeming with giant tube worms, blind white crabs, and strange fish, all thriving in total darkness. How is this possible? The answer is chemosynthesis. Instead of photosynthesis, which uses sunlight, the foundation of this food web is bacteria that have evolved to harness chemical energy from the sulfur compounds erupting from the vents. These bacteria are the plants of this deep sea world. The giant tube worms, some reaching over 2 meters tall, have no mouth and no digestive system. Instead, their bodies are packed with these symbiotic bacteria. The worm's bright red plume absorbs chemicals from the vent water and delivers them to the bacteria inside, which in turn produce sugars to feed the worm. They have a built-in chef. This discovery completely rewrote our understanding of where life could exist not just on Earth, but potentially on other planets or moons in our solar system like Jupiter's moon Europa, which is thought to have a deep ocean under its icy shell. And we're still not at the bottom. Below the midnight zone is the abyssopelagic zone, the abyss, stretching from 4,000 to 6,000 meters. And below that, the hadal zone, the trenches. These are the deepest parts of the ocean, like the Mariana Trench, which plunges down nearly 11,000 meters. If you placed Mount Everest in the Mariana Trench, its peak would still be over a kilometer underwater. The pressure here is over 1,000 times that at the surface, equivalent to having 50 jumbo jets stacked on top of you. For a long time, we thought nothing could survive here. But expeditions using remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, have proven us wrong. They've found life. The Mariana snailfish is the deepest living fish ever discovered, thriving at depths of around 8,000 meters. It looks surprisingly delicate, almost ethereal, with translucent skin and no scales. Its body has evolved to be gelatinous to withstand the pressure. Scientists have also found amphipods, which are like large, shrimp-like crustaceans, and even single-celled organisms called xenophyophores, which are giants in the microbe world, building intricate shells from sediment on the seafloor. Life in the hadal zone is a testament to the sheer tenacity and adaptability of biology. It pushes the absolute limits of what we thought was possible for life to endure. So why should we care about this deep, dark, and distant world? Because the deep ocean is not as disconnected from us as it seems. It plays a crucial role in regulating our planet's climate. It absorbs massive amounts of heat and carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, acting as a giant buffer against climate change. The currents of the deep ocean, part of a global conveyor belt, drive weather patterns all over the world. What happens in the deep doesn't stay in the deep. Unfortunately, our impact is already reaching these remote places. Studies have found plastic pollution even in the deepest parts of the Mariana Trench. Chemical pollutants and the effects of deep-sea mining are emerging threats to these unique, fragile ecosystems that we are only just beginning to understand. Exploring the deep sea is more than just a quest to find strange new animals. It's about understanding our own planet. It's about unlocking the secrets of life itself, its origins, its limits, and its incredible diversity. Every dive reveals something new, a species we've never seen, a behavior we never imagined, a biological process that could lead to new medicines or technologies. The deep ocean is the largest biome on Earth, and it remains our planet's last true frontier. It's a world of eternal night, crushing pressure, and bizarre beauty. A hidden kingdom that reminds us just how much we still have to learn, and how much we have to protect. There's a whole universe waiting to be discovered, not in the stars, but right here, under the waves. The more we look, the more we realize that the truth is often stranger and more wonderful than fiction. Thank you so much for joining this deep dive with me today. If you were as fascinated by this hidden world as I am, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures into the unknown. Let me know in the comments which deep-sea creature you find the most mind-blowing. Until next time, stay curious.